Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store after iOS update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart the App Store app. So for this, restart your App Store app, and then after this the next solution is toggle airplane mode on and off. So for this, go to control center, turn on airplane mode and turn it off again, and then after this the next solution is turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. So for this, open control center, turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then after this the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. And so guys, after restarting your iPhone, and then the next solution is disable any VPN. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so simply disconnect the VPN from your iPhone, and then after this the next and the last solution is reset all iPhone settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone cannot connect App Store issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.